So kids in our culture, boys and girls both, it's important to realize that this is just as damaging to boys, are being told over and over again in DVDs that they watch several times a week, over and over and over again, that boys' stories are 3 times more important than girls. And that boys are 3 times more interesting than girls. Some of the other data we found in the study is that male characters were half as likely as female characters to be portrayed as parents. That male characters of color were half as likely as white characters to be portrayed as parents. You know, think about the huge public health problem of father absence, and what, are we surprised, given what we're telling our kids still in this day and age? When it comes to the dynamics and influence of father-daughter relationships, it's very hard to lay hands on research because there's very little of it. So when I'm doing my work with fathers and daughters, I can't cite very much research. So what I do instead is I challenge fathers and others, like you, because most of the people in this room are not fathers, I've noticed. Although, I should stop here. Of the women in here in the room, how many of you, raise your hands if you're a daughter? Trick question. Okay. So what I encourage people to do is to go out and find 6 adult women you know and ask them about their relationship with their father and their stepfather. I got $20 that says you do not get a lukewarm answer from anybody. You either get, he's one of my heroes, I worship the ground he walks on, or he's a big fat expletive deleted. There's very little middle ground. Try to mobilize fathers, motivate fathers, have them do that. That's all the empirical evidence anybody needs to know. Fathers matter. Stepfathers matter. And we matter even when we're doing nothing. We're still having a huge impact, okay?